Dave Porter here on location with Meet the Contractor and Appoint Buddy Service. I'm with Jack from Jamison Carpets and Flooring. We're here to talk to you about tile installs.
Well, what we have here, we sell in the flooring process. We sell the laminate, we sell hardwood, and we also sell the sheet vinyl, which many people call it linoleum back in the day. And we also got the block vinyl tile, which is the permastones, the Dura ceramics, and the Dura stones. These are all vinyl tiles that look like ceramic, but they're solid vinyl. Which means if you have ceramic and drop a bottle, you can crack it. With this, you can't. So the sheet vinyl today is coming back because the new sheet vinyl, first of all, it's coming in 13 feet wide pieces, and it looks like real stone, real marble, real granite. And it's a lot cheaper than doing the real deal, but it looks like the real deal, and it's easier to clean for the homeowner.
A lot of people aren't aware that these products that they have today look so great.
Correct. If you've got ceramic today in your kitchen versus sheet vinyl, ceramic is, let's just say ceramic's going to cost you, let's say it's $3,000. Sheet vinyl is only going to cost you $1,000. So it's 2/3 difference.
Right.
And professionally speaking, with ceramic tiles, first of all, it's cold in the wintertime. We don't live in Florida, we live in Pennsylvania. And second of all, you got to constantly reseal your grout lines. If not, every time you wash it, you're going to start to deteriorate them. With the sheet vinyl, it looks like real ceramic and stone, and all I do is wash it, clean it, and it's done.
Obviously, if you're looking for someone or an alternative to your next tile install, give Jack a call here from Jamison Carpets and Flooring. Basically serving all of Bucks County, Doylestown, Montgomery, Buckingham.
We're advertising in all your local magazines. We're all over the place. I mean, we're constantly promoting ourselves, and like I said, that's our claim to fame.
Well, thanks again for having us out.
Thank you.
We look forward to helping you get the word out about your professional tile installs.